If you're just starting out in business, this one psychological trick can change the whole conversation. It's called frame shifting, and it's all about not playing by someone else's rules. Here's the thing. Most beginners try to sound mature, professional, like they've got 10 years of experience. But the truth is, the more you try to fit into someone else's expectations, the more invisible you become. So instead, shift the frame. Try something like, I don't have experience yet, but that's exactly why I can think fresh without old patterns. And that's my edge. See what you did there? You're not defending yourself. You're defining the conversation on your own terms. And people always subconsciously follow the frame of the person who speaks with certainty. So no, you don't need to pretend to be an expert. You just need to own your own narrative. And that is a real game changer. Hit that subscribe and drop a comment. What do you think about this?